Hi everyone, the item we are introducing now is a desk and office chair. So actually if you are living a minimalistic lifestyle, so actually I highly recommend you this desk because you can see the design is very simple and modern. And for the table you can see is quite large for the space. You can put a laptop or your greenery and some of the books or your cups, bottles here. And also there's a small shelf that you can put several books. So I think this is very convenient. And also for the desk, and you can see it's made of MDF here. And for the black and the wooden color, they are all with the melamine surface. And for the leg is in metal. So actually this desk is very stable, and also for daily using you can see there's a board here. Actually with the board it can avoid to drop some things to the floor. And also I think this one is very perfect with the office chair. Actually you can see here this one with the wheels and the swivel function. This is very convenient to move. And also of course you can adjust the height to different needs. And also for this chair you can see it's with velvet, the mint color velvet. And also there's a hood here. Actually this one is very convenient for cleaning. And so actually I think these two items together, this is a symbol of minimalistic style. So if you're interested in this set, welcome to leave a message or contact with us.